Okay, students, so today we are going to start working on page number 43, and here you have dividing decimals. First, you will write a date at the top of the page and classwork. So, dividing decimals. What are the pattern of doing dividing decimals? See, that pattern is same नॉर्मल डिवीजन जैसी होती है उसी तरह से करते हैं. जस्ट आंसर में हम पॉइंट वहाँ लगा देते हैं जहाँ क्वेश्चन में होता है. अगर एक डिजिट से पहले पॉइंट है तो एक डिजिट से पहले लगा देते हैं. अगर 2 डिजिट से पहले पॉइंट है तो 2 डिजिट से पहले लगा देते हैं. See 0.6 divided by 3. Now see how you will solve it. First you will take 0 and 0 is smaller than 3. So you will take one more digit, right? You will take one more digit, right? When you will take one more digit in the same step, so you will write 0 on the top, right? Because we are taking 2 digit in one step, because 0 is smaller, so we will take the whole 6. It becomes 606, right? सो नाउ यू विल सी 6. अच्छा, ये इमेजिन मत करें कि यहाँ पे कोई पॉइंट है, समझिए 0 6 ही था. ओके, मत इमेजिन करें कि यहाँ बीच में कोई पॉइंट है. ओके, जस्ट 0 6. सो 0 के साथ 6 भी हम ले रहे हैं. सो वी विल राइट, नाउ वी विल सी 6. डज 6 कम्स इन द टेबल ऑफ 3? येस, 6 is at a second place, so that's why we are writing 0 here. So 6 1s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so you will write 2 here. The answer you got is 0 2, and you will place the point where the point is placed in the question. So see, the point is placed in the question is one digit before, so you will write the point one digit before in the answer as well, and that will be your answer. Now see the next question, 5 and 2.5. So see, first you will see 2 is smaller than 5, then you will take the whole 2 5, right? 2 digits you are taking, so you will write 0 here, right? And then you will write 5 5s are 25, right? And you will cut it and you will write 0. How many, कहाँ पे है 0? पॉइंट से पहले. So you will write, एक डिजिट पहले है ना, तो एक डिजिट पहले आपने लिख दिया, and that will be your answer point. Now see 6 33.6 divide by 6. So see, पहले हम 3 लेंगे. 3 is smaller than 6, so you will take the whole 36, but when you are taking the 2 digit number in the same step, you will write 0 on the top, right? Because ये पॉइंट नंबर है, इसमें ये डिफरेंस होता है कि जब आप एक ही स्टेप में 2 0, अगर आप सिंपल 36 को डिवाइड करी हो 6 से तो आपको तो कर दोगी, 6 6 is 36, but here you have a point, so you will taking the second digit, so you will write 0 on the top. Okay, because 3 is smaller, so you are taking the 2 digits in the same step, right? So you will write 0 on the top. Now see 36, 6 6 are 36, so it becomes 0 6. And see, where is the where the point is placed? The point is placed before one digit, so you will write point here, right? Now see number D, 8 5.6. Now first 5 is smaller than 8, so you will take the whole 56, so you will write 0 here because एक digit आपने लिया है ज़्यादा. Now see 8 7s are 56, and where the point will be placed in the question, the point is before one digit, so you will write the point before one digit in the answer. Now see, here you have 0.18 divided by 9. See 0 is smaller than 9, so you will write 0 here because you are taking 1 again the digit. Now you will see 2 digits, 0 1. 0 1 is again smaller than 9, so you will write again 0 to take 8. बिकॉज यहाँ पे दूसरा डिजिट भी छोटा है तो हम तीसरे डिजिट पे जा रहे हैं, सो हम अगेन एक और 0 लगाएंगे. नाउ सी 0.18 मीन्स इट 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती, इट्स 18, सो 9 2s are 18, nothing will be left. And where the point will be placed? 1 2. The point is placed before 2 digits, so you will write the point in the answer before 1 2 digits. That will be your answer. Now see the next question, 5 0 is smaller than 5, you will take 2, एक 0 लगेगा. Then again 0 2 is smaller than 5, you will take 5, again 0 लगेगा because third digit भी you are taking. Now see 0 25, so 25 5 5s are 25, nothing is left. And see, the point is placed before 2 digits, so you will write 1 2 digit, you will write the point before 2 digits, so the answer will be 0.05. Now see number G, 0.35. 0.35. 0 is smaller, you will take 3, you will write 0. Again 0, 3 is smaller, you will take, then 7, you will take 5 as well, you will write again 0. Now 0, 35. So 35, 7 5 is 35. Nothing will be left. And the point is placed before 2 digits. So 1, 2, 2 digits से पहले point लगा देंगे. And that will be your answer. Now see 9 divided by 0.81. It's 0. You will take 8. Because 0 is smaller than 9. So you will write 0. Again 0, it is also smaller than 9. So you will take this one as well. So you will write again 0. देखिए इन क्वेश्चंस में तो हम एक ही डिजिट लेते थे, हमारा 56 8 से बड़ा बन जाता था. बट यहाँ 2 डिजिट लेने के बाद भी बड़ा नहीं बन रहा. सो यू आर टेकिंग द थर्ड डिजिट, दैट्स वाई यू आर राइटिंग द सेकेंड 0. नाउ इट्स 081. सो 81 मीन्स 9 9s are 81. So you will write 9 here and you will cut them and you will write the point before 2 digits. 1 2 digit पहले point है question में, so you will write the point before 2 digits and that will be your answer. Okay, now we have solved page number 43. Now come on page number 44 on the next page. So now we are on page number 44. Write down the date and classwork on the top of the page. 9.5 divided by 5. 9.5 divided by 5. How you will divide it? See, now see 9 is bigger than 5, right? 9 is bigger than 5. So मसला ही हल हो गया. 9 पहले ही बड़ा है 9 5 से. So but 9 doesn't come in the table of 5. So you will take 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So you will take 5 1s are 5. 9 minus 5 4. 4 minus हुआ, this 5 we will take under the line. It becomes 45. And when 45 comes in the table of 5, 5 9s are 45. Okay, so ये हो गया solve. Now see, we got 19 and where we will place point? Before one digit. Here in the question you have the point before one digit, you will write the point before one digit and 1.9 will be your answer. Right? Now see the next question. 69.57 divided by 9. See, 6 is smaller than 9, right? 6 is smaller than 9. So you will write 0 here. And now you will take the whole 69. So 69. No, wait. The number is before the point. So you don't need to write 0 here. Here you have 69 before point. So we can read it at 69. So does 69. 69 is smaller than 9, right? 69 is smaller than, is bigger than 9. 69 is bigger than 9. So what number comes smaller than 69 in the table of 9? 9 7 the 63. 9 7 the 63, right? Now nine minus 3 6. 6 minus 6 nothing. Now we will take 5 inside. It becomes 55 65. Again 65 doesn't come in the table of 9. So you will take 63 again. 9 7s are 63. 5 minus 3 2 will be left. 6 minus 6 nothing. Now you will take 27 under the line and 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Nothing will be left. And where you will place the point? You will place the point before 2 digits. 1 2 digits पहले क्वेश्चन में. तो here भी you will place the point before 2 digits. 1 2. The answer you got is 7.73. That is your answer. Okay, 7.73 is your answer. Now see the next question. .1 we will place inside and 3 outside, right? Now see 80. See 80.1 divided by 3. See 8. 8 is bigger than 3, right? 8 is bigger than 3. So first we will take 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6, 2 will be left, right? Now 0 will become under the line. It becomes 20. Now again 20 doesn't come in the table of 3. So we will take 3 6 are 18. 0 minus 8, nothing. We will cut it. We will write 1. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 will be left. It's 18. 2 will be left. Okay. 2 will be left. Now 1 will become under the point. Okay, under the line, sorry. 3 21 आता है, 3 के टेबल में yes, 3 sevens are 21. So you got nothing. Now see where you will place the point. Here the point is before one digit, so you will write the point before one digit in the answer. So the answer you got it 26.7. I know it's little difficult, but if you will practice it again and again, you will be expert in it. Okay.